Guys, welcome to another video for simonsvideo.com, and my name is Simon Tay, and today I'm gonna do a gadgets DIY. This is called a bed chiller that I custom made with pre-purchased items, not DIY in terms of make your own, but I pre-purchased some of these items. This is a Rubbermaid water what do you call it, a chiller box, and this Lazada or AliExpress you can buy. This is a water chill bed cover, not say bed cover, bed mattress, water chilling for beds, and it does come with a water intake and outtake. And I bought this what do you call that, this tubes, rubber tubes, and aquarium pump, a small aquarium pump inside. You can put ice into the chiller box. Currently I'm using a phone chiller or phone cooler. It is a Peltier at the inside and a fan on the top to cool down the Peltier on the outside. And this heat sink with this PC water cooling heat sink block for cooling the PC components. A smart switch with a Smart Life app. The pump and the phone chiller are linked with a smart temperature sensor. This is a aquarium smart temperature sensor. If it's above 26.5 degrees, which is set in the application, it will turn on the chiller and the water pump at a specific timing after 11:30 p.m. at night. Then you will start pumping the water into this bed cooler mattress, and it will automatically cool the whole bed so that it will not be so hot at the summertime. I will put some oil here to prevent mosquito infestation, and what else, yeah, basically at specific time I can schedule the smart switch to turn on and turn off in the morning, so that I will not be wasting electricity in the morning when I'm not sleeping. Right, so basically this is it for this DIY chiller thingy, and hopefully I can inspire you to create your own. But do take note, do not put the water too near to electronics, right? So if there is any leakage over here, is leak at the places that is not dangerous in terms of the water leakage. Currently the water leakage, if it's a leak over here, okay, if it's leak over here, it's not seriously linked to any electronics at the bottom, because at the side there is not much electronics, hopefully. So basically that's it for this video for DIY bed chiller. If the foam cooler is not good enough, you can put some ice into the ice box. This is a Rubbermaid ice chest, and yeah, basically that's it. Thank you so much for watching Simon's video. Have a nice day. See ya. Bye bye.